Okay, so this is another way that we can wind up using derivatives. We can use derivatives to find tangent lines. So we want to find the tangent line y equals mx plus b to this parametric curve at a particular value. Okay, so to find a line, we need two pieces of information. We need the slope, and we need a point on the line. So we can use our parametric equation to get a point on the line. Plugging in the value for t equals 2, we'll get some specific point. Okay, so we do the arithmetic. That'll be 13. 2 times 8 will give us 16, plus 4 will give us 20. Okay, so that represents the point of tangent C. And now we need to find the slope at that point of tangent C. So our slope, right, usually we write it as the change in y divided by the change in x. Now we're going to use our knowledge of parametric curves to say that this is and now we need the derivatives of the y-coordinate and the x-coordinate. Okay, so the derivative of the y-coordinate (6t squared), and the derivative of the x-coordinate (6t). Yes?
Why do you say x-coordinate when we're talking about the equation?
Sorry, come again?
Why do you say x-coordinate when we're talking about the equation?
Aha, right, yeah, sure. Right, so parametric curves have sort of two parts. I mean, two-dimensional parametric curves have two parts, right? So if I put in a number like t equals 2, I get not one number, but a pair of numbers. I get my number that represents x and my number that represents y. So I call this guy the x-coordinate and this guy the y-coordinate. Does that clear things up? Sweet, nice. Okay. So we take the derivatives, plug them in. The 6's cancel, one of the t's cancel, and we get t. When t is not equal to 0. Yes?
To follow up on Simran's question,
Sure.
Shouldn't it be the derivative for y with respect to x or whatever until you plug in a point and then it's the derivative at a point? Or is this still at a point?
Right. So this thing that we've got here represents the slope at any value of t. And now we're going to plug in the specific value t equals 2.
Okay, so
Yeah, so we're one step ahead of you. Okay, so we've got this. Okay, so we've got a point, we've got a slope. So now we have to write an equation for the tangent line. Okay. So right, we want it in this format. We know that our slope m is 2. From our derivative calculation. Now we have to find the y-intercept, the value of b. Okay. Okay, oh, yes, question?
Oh, sorry, just finish.
Right, so we've got 20 is 26 plus b, tells us b is -6. Simon?
Does form count for a lot of words? Do you want us to end our questions with like QED or?
Yes, yes. I want your questions to always end with a clear statement of the problem that you've just solved. Yes. Especially if you're writing for other people to read, like on the wiki.